Hello everybody, it's Chris Pierce again with the PR Properties Real Estate Group here presenting to you our newest listing, Unit 11 at 3737 Pender Street in the Willingdon Heights neighborhood of Burnaby. Location, location, location. If you're looking for a Vancouver address but you can't afford the Vancouver prices, why not hop on the other side of Boundary Road, that's literally a stone's throw away, and get this beautiful property for a fantastic price. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, approximately 900 square feet, close to all of the fantastic amenities that Willingdon Heights has to offer. You gotta come and check this out, so give us a call anytime. We're excited to show it to you. Come on in and take a look. Man, what a view I wish I could see, but I have seen it before, and on a sunny day, it is fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us on this video tour at our listing here in Willingdon Heights. Please give us a call or an email or a text. We're very excited to show you this property, so come on down, check it out, and have a great day. Thank you so much.